Everybody, today we are gonna take revenge on Poopy Guy and Mr. Silly Elephant because these guys annoy me. You, get out of here. You're not a part of this. First victim, this guy. That's what you get. Have these eggs and we have weapons to teach him a lesson. Here's some poops. Oh, you wanna eat it? Here's some poop. Poopy, poopy, poopy. And have an AKM. No, you're not gonna slap me. You cannot slap me anymore. I'm too faster. And next, have this. That's what you get. Now you are blind. Take this. He got the nose. And take the grenade. Take this. Oh, he can't. Oh. Take this watermelon. Nothing? Okay. Slappy slap. Slappy slap. Now he's already upset. Yeah, that's good. That's good. That's good. Weaponize. Weaponize. Take this. Take this. And next. And next, we are gonna hurt his nose. I mean, hurt his eyes. Eyes. Take this.
We clearly need help.
What are you doing? Oh, something's glitching. Then I'm gonna teach you a lesson instead. Take this.
Mode activated.
And you are.
Feel the wrath of a bored curse.
No, you made the baby monkey. You made Toby crying. Poor Toby. Get out of here.
No, help.
You're not supposed to poop in my toilet.
No refunds.
Oh, if you wanna poop in my toilet, just get in. Here's a.
You filthy little poop cannon.
I'm not a poop kennel. You are a stinky bread.
Ooh.
That's what you
That's
get.
a trend on knockout compilations.
And take this.
Help them.
Take this. And that's what you get. Oh. We have other things. This one. Take this. And you're gonna burn. Oh, it just closed. Now you're staying in that poop. Wait, I forgot we are gonna. Wait. Spartan.
Ouch!
You have to stay here. You ugly face.
Who knew a
What
monkey could
happens
make
to you?
My survival instinct
You.
is speed boosted.
Get out or I will give this to you.
Oh! This isn't fun anymore.
How did a day at the zoo end up like this?
That's what you get.
Don't do that.
Goodbye. Okay, let's throw a rock on him. Take this. Okay, I think he's already upset right now. Second victim. And the third victim, something
Mediocrity
really
had
bad
enough.
happens to Spartan.
I repeat, shots fired.
Spartan, come. Spartan. Spartan. No, you're not coming in. No. This game is so glitchy. No.
Oh.
That's it.
Medic,
Take
we've got
this.
a human pancake.
No, this game is so laggy. Okay, go.
Unload, empty your mag.
No, why do I keep jumping? Stop jumping. No, he's trying to bully me. He's not bullying me. He's trying to bully the baby monkey, Toby. No, go, yes!
Couldn't bruise a grape with that flop.
Okay, we finally take over the zoo. Now we can
Minutes
do
now.
whatever we
Court
want to
adjourned.
the people. Go!
90
Wah,
mph.
And get rid of your hat. And get rid of... Oh, you're going to jail.
Okay.
For a
Next
month.
time we leave the keep hands and friends outside the
No,
enclosure.
no.
Quick!
Your first punishment.
A bat
Take
in the
this.
monkey's grip turns every moment into potential mayhem.
Have this. That's what you get for doing this to baby monkey. And to me. You're the worst. You're the worst one ever. You're trying to protect people in VR. And now we have to teach her outside. We will teach her a lesson outside. Don't jump, okay? Don't jump.
Poor fella, get
Okay, finally don't jump.
package for Mr. Primate. No.
You. Oh. Now we can do anything what we
That is
want.
one strong animal.
And first, you're gonna fall to the void. Oh, she's not gonna fall to the void. You're gonna stay with Mr. Silly Elephant. You take this. Here's your last punishment. Oh. He doesn't know it. We finally defeat them. And next, the people. Take this. Jump. We finally defeat Mr. Silly Elephant and Poopy Guy and Spartan. We defeated them. You are
Cop culture.
the worst one here.
Wow.
Now I am the owner of this.
Incoming
To-
special delivery.
Now you're gonna get hit by coconut. Bam.
Regret that. Baton smack.
No,
Knights.
that's what you get.
Fresh score. Score. Snap.
Hey, can you wake up? You, don't you dare disturb me.
I'm starting the wave. Your turn.
Steal the banana. Take this.
Scene.
You fall to the void. Fall to the void. Okay. That. No, stop jumping, okay? Okay. Let her be stuck. No, she jumped. Okay, that means we don't let her jump. No! Jump again. Now we jumped again. And now she's trapped. Wait, can you just... No, she jumped. Stuck on the floor.
That is one strong animal.
No, she always jumps. No, how many times she always jumps? Take this. Don't. Take this. Okay. Be scared. Okay, stay. No, she failed. Oh, she just teleported. Okay, she's already stuck here. You. Take this. Boom! Kaboom! Now we can do anything what we want now. Take this. Okay, let's read this first. Wait, what does it eat?
Fastest
Diet,
souvenir ever.
fruits,
Sheer
leaves,
terror.
nuts, insects. Central Africa.
My legs
Wait,
keep up with my
that
heart.
means men cannot touch this chimpanzee? Chimpanzee. How is she standing here? You. Take this. No. Wait, can we make him fainted? No. Why? No. No. I hate this. Okay, fine. No, Spartan has sleeve. That's because of this glitchy. I hate this. It's because of you. It's because of you. You ruined everything because I was glitching you the whole time in the last video. Take this. You ruined my life. Take this.
PG to OMG.
Take this. Take this. Take this. Woo. You cannot kill me anymore. You ruined everything. No, you ruined everything. Now gone. 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 Ha. Now those victim. Oh. Okay, they're still here and Spartan escaped. Okay, this is the end.